Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to install and set up Private Internet Access VPN on your iPhone. First, open your web browser and go to the Private Internet Access VPN website. I'll leave a link in the description of this video where you can get an exclusive discount. Once you're on the website, click on Get VPN in the middle of the screen. Then, choose a plan that works best for you. As you can see, the 1-month plan is $9.99. However, the best deal is the 3-year plan, as you get 3 months free and it equals to a great price per month. Once you're ready, scroll down and click on Select Plan. On the next page, you'll see a summary of your order, as well as some additional services. If you're happy with everything, scroll down, choose your payment method, enter your details, and click on Subscribe Now at the bottom. After creating your account, you'll receive an email with your login details. Keep these handy, because you'll need them later. Now, let's download the Private Internet Access VPN app. Go back to the homepage of the website and click on the menu icon in the top right corner. Click on the Download VPN drop-down menu and choose iOS VPN. This will take you to the download page for iOS. Click on Download PIA for iOS, which will bring up the App Store pop-up. Click on the Get button. Since I've downloaded it before, it shows as a cloud button for me, so I'll click on that to download the application to my iPhone. Once it's downloaded, click Open. When you open the VPN for the first time, you'll see a page prompting you to sign up for a subscription. But we already signed up and got the best deal, so click on the Login button at the bottom. PIA will then request access to create a new VPN profile for your iPhone. Click OK, and then Allow when prompted. You'll be taken to your iPhone settings, where you'll need to enter your iPhone passcode. After entering your passcode, you'll be taken back to the application and to the home screen, which looks like this. Now you can start using the VPN. To connect to a VPN server, it's simple. Click on the VPN server box just under the Power button. This will take you to the region selection menu where you can select from available countries. For this example, I'm going to select Germany, Frankfurt. After clicking on it, you'll be prompted to connect to the VPN. This will take a few seconds, and once connected, it should say Connected at the very top. Now that we've connected to the VPN server, we're browsing the internet as if we're from that country, and we can start accessing geo-blocked content. You can use your iPhone just as you normally would. To disconnect from the VPN server, go back to the Private Internet Access application and click on the Power button in the middle of the screen. After a few seconds, you'll be successfully disconnected from the server. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.